harka fuunee akkam jirtu hordoftoota Oromoo koo chaanaalii arramoo viidiyoo biraan qabadhee gara keessanitti dhufee ijoolleen koo dorgommii fi kan isaan qopheessan afaan Ingiliffaatiin isaan qabadhee gara keessanitti dhufee akkasiin baay'ee jaallattan abdii guddaan qaba. Egaa garuma viidiyoo isaatiitti isin dabarsaa anuma faana tura.
Hi guys, my name is Debi.
Hi guys, my name is Koolu.
And we're gonna make Dabboo Bexxellee. The ingredients we need are this.
Here we have is white flour.
Right here we need is 3/4 cup of oil.
We have warm water.
And this is 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Here we have is a bowl to make it.
Here we have 1 teaspoon yeast. We have 3 spoons sugar here. So here I'm gonna put 5 spoons of flour in this bowl.
Here we have yeast.
And this is oil.
This is salt.
This is the sugar. And we're gonna wash our hands and mix it.
Let's start.
We're gonna leave this for 2 hours. Then after that, we're gonna bake it.
Stay with us, and I'll see you
Now
again.
the flour is ready to bake.
No, that's cool. Hello guys, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna wait.
Yeah. What's that? Pace! It's done. Wow, we did hard work today. Look at our bread. It looks so cool. I'm Chef Debi.
I'm Chef Koolu.
And we did this all by ourselves. We're gonna eat this bread with chai or tea. I would say thank you to my mom for helping us. This was just not only us. Because of our mom's help on doing this stuff for us, helping us to teach us what to do and what was wrong to get us right. So I'm just saying thanks to my mom for helping us. Peace.